A gas giant, and the second largest planet in the solar system, Saturn has a volume equivalent to that of more than 700 Earths, but its mass is only 95 times greater. It has the lowest density of all the planets, less dense than water on Earth. Its deep atmosphere is composed of hydrogen and helium wrapped around a small rocky core. The atmosphere is squashed outwards by fast rotation to make it 10% wider at the equator than at the poles. Differences in the observed spin rate of features suggest that a day on Saturn is 25 minutes longer at the poles than at the equator. Saturn has more than 60 moons, ranging from tiny moonlets less than a kilometer across to the gigantic Titan, which has a diameter of 5,150 kilometers, 3,200 miles, and is larger than the planet Mercury. Titan is comparable to Earth, it has a layered atmosphere, and is the only other known object in our solar system with stable surface liquid. Many of Saturn's smaller moons, such as Phoebe, have orbital characteristics that suggest that they were originally asteroids that have been captured by Saturn's gravity.